fourth one.
Osha fourth one. So what are some?
They pulled his nails with plier.
Seriously?
Yeah, because they thought he will use the nails to open some padlocks. So they so even my grandfather has been singing this song. Only de gaho me. Otu epefeo denye kpli wota mauneira o. JJ Rawlings benano agbe levi ogbo. My father was like this. My grandfather was like this with Jerry John. It's composed by one popular Volta. He has been doing campaign songs for.
Okay.
But I've forgotten the name. It's like Mauneira wo JJ Rawlings benano agbe levi ogbo agoka oje yemiede pene ala awo JJ Rawlings agoka oje nami. If I flow with it, agoka oje yemiede pene ala awo JJ Rawlings agoka oje nami. Midasile eunevo jro midasile eunevo jro akpema dalawo.
The song is
amema lolawo.
The song is there.
Yeah, Jerry John.
Thank you.
So, yeah, Jerry John was a man of charisma. He did well. He's. I'm telling you that in the Usher Fort, he suffered so many atrocities.
Okay. The song.
The song. Oh, he has so many moral songs.
Okay.
He has been singing Ezamuna muna watiwa, Ezamuna muna watiwa. Then the boys will say Zamuna muna abele o, Ezamuna muna watiwa, Ezamuna muna watiwa, Zamuna muna abele o. At a point in time, I also dreamt of becoming a military man.